Hello, in this video, we are going to see how simple and easy it is to generate e-invoice in SXC Business Suite. First, we make our invoice as usual. You just have to make sure that the address and other relevant information is already there in the master data of items and customers. This is a sample invoice which we have created, and if we look at the print preview of this invoice, we see that the IRN, acknowledgement date, and acknowledgement number is blank. Also, there is no QR code on the invoice as of now. Now, we go to the e-Invoice tab on the invoice screen. Here we select the transaction type and the document type, if required. Then, just click the Generate e-Invoice button, and you shall see that the QR code along with IRN, acknowledgement number, and date are populated on the screen. That's it. Now if we preview the print of the invoice, we can see the details of e-Invoice on the print layout along with the QR code. You can also cancel the e-Invoice from here, if required. Thank you for your time.